Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Solitaire class how to add friends. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up a Solitaire app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged in, look for a friends or social tab within the app. This section is where you can interact with players or see your friends list. Then next is to find the add friend option. Inside the friends or social tab, look for an add friend or search for the friends button, then tap on add friend option, and once that's done, next is to search for friends by username or email. You'll likely be able to search for your friends using username, email address, and then once you find the player you want to add, tap on the profile and look for an option to send a friend request. You may also see an options like follow or invite. Then after sending a friend request, the other person will accept it before they are added to your friend list. Once accepted, you will be able to interact with them, send them gifts or challenges them to the matches. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.